Good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. Vaishali. I am here as a participant to attend this in silico training program to explore the new modalities in drug development. And this is a new field for Ayurveda peoples. And I think COVID has given this opportunity to our fraternity that we should explore the new areas so that we can interpret our knowledge, whatever our science has given to us, and we should explore those techniques so that we can explain it to the new world. During COVID time, we have came across such studies which has used these computational methods, and I think and at that time we were not able to decode those papers because we don't have the knowledge system with us to decode this. And with this objective, I have joined this training program. And right now, after completion of this program, I could say that it has completely successful and reach to its objective, and the outcome will be very good. We have learned the computational skills, molecular docking, molecular dynamics. Then we have also learned how to do the network pharmacology. We could say that in this short period of 6 days, we have learned, and we have that aptitude that how to do those studies. So what our further expectations, if you ask, then such study or such training program should follow the further rigorous training which had the specific objective. Means we can have the network for pharmacology training program as a separately, and in silico studies computational methods separately, so that whatever path we have journey we have started, it can be explored further, and these skills will be used effectively in designing the MD research project as well as the PhD research projects at our institutes also. And being a fundamentalist, because I belong to the basic principles, so it will this knowledge will also help me to decode the fundamental principles in my field also. So with this, thank you very much. I really express my gratitude to the dynamic leadership of All India Institute of Ayurveda, who had provided us this opportunity, this platform to interact with the eminent experts and to gain this knowledge and to enrich this knowledge. Thank you very much.